Hey, building a new website? You're probably facing that massive choice, hiring a freelancer versus an agency.
To make the right call, you've got to weigh your budget, your timeline, and how much personal attention you need.
Let's talk budget. Freelance web developers offer incredibly affordable hourly rates. We're talking $30 to $75.
Contrast that with a traditional agency. Thanks to steep overhead, their rates jump to $100 to $175.
So for medium-sized projects, freelancers totally win out on both cost and speed, hands down.
Take Sarah T, for example. Her freelancer built a full e-commerce site in literally just 3 weeks.
Why so fast? Well, freelancers offer direct communication. Agencies filter you through account executives and endless approval layers.
That direct access means you get super agile development, deep personal investments, and truly niche platform expertise.
Agencies, on the flip side, often bring bureaucratic delays, and you might get passed off to junior staff.
So how do you actually find that perfect freelance hire for your business? Let's break it down. Start by vetting them. Dive into their portfolios, check client testimonials, and set crystal clear contracts right up front.
The crucial point is asking specific interview questions about platform experience and timelines to gauge technical compatibility.
Also, watch out for red flags. Missing examples or suspiciously low prices usually point to serious quality issues.
To maximize this partnership, you've got to balance their awesome flexibility with respect for their working hours and boundaries.
Give clear initial briefs and use tools like Trello or Asana to prevent that frustrating, expensive scope creep.
Here's a crucial pro tip. Always ask about their backup plan in case of illness or a personal emergency.
Did you know? Tons of freelancers previously worked at agencies. You get agency-level talent without the crazy price tag.
Keep things on track by tying payments to milestones. It keeps both of you financially invested in finishing.
Which brings us to a huge final question. Are you overpaying for your upcoming web project?